Hello everyone, I am Narendra Pathak. In my previous video, I will discuss about equation of motion problems, numerical problem related to equation of motion. Today in this video, we discuss about next properties of matter related to force and motion of grain matter. Science. In this video, we mainly discuss about inertia. When any object, if it is at rest, then it try to remain at rest. When it is in motion, then it will continue in uniform motion in a straight line unless external force is not applied on it. That is, anybody try to remain in its original state of rest or motion unless external force is not applied in it. When we try to move the object which is at rest, then the property of a body by which it opposed to come in motion is known as inertia. When any object is in motion, like in moving body, when we apply force to stop it, and the property of body due to which it opposed to come in motion is known as inertia. And as a whole, how we can describe about the inertia? Inability to change its position from rest to motion or motion to rest by body itself is called inertia. And here we discuss about mainly inertia, types of inertia, and example of different types of inertia. At first we define about inertia. Inability to change its position from rest to motion or motion to rest by body is called inertia. Inertia present in every body which has a mass. That inertia present in a body depends upon mainly two factors. It depends upon mass of the body and another most important factor is velocity of the body. As for example, we take two metal cans. One is filled by sand and another remains in it, and we tie it on hanger with help of thread or rope. We apply force. Listen, on both. We apply force, same force on both they are given that. And what we found that the can having sand needs more force to move. Why it is so? Because it has more mass, more inertia, therefore more force needed to change its position from rest to motion. Again, we move these both objects by certain force, and then we apply force to stop. And here we found that a empty can be easily stopped. Why? Because it has less mass. Less mass means what? Less inertia present there. More mass and more inertia present. Therefore, it needs more force to stop. And therefore, we can define that inertia depends upon mainly two factors. One is mass, another velocity. When object is moving by high velocity, then it possesses more inertia. That inertia is classified into two types. And here we have types of inertia. Inertia present in object is at rest is known as inertia of rest. Inertia present in body due to the position of rest is called inertia of rest. That inertia of rest always present in resting body. And what is its main characteristic? It opposed to come in motion. It means any resting object opposed to come in motion. It means try to remain at rest. As for example, when we shake mango tree or fruits, mango fall. When we shake a branch of mango tree, mango fall. Why? Because on a branch, mangoes are at rest. When we shake branch, then suddenly it comes in motion. Inertia of rest present in mango opposed to come in motion, and it gets further. Similarly, when we beat carpet by a stick, dust particles get separated. It is why? Because dust particle remains at rest in carpet. When we beat it, then suddenly it comes in motion. Inertia of rest present in dust particle opposed to come in motion and get further. Similarly, we can write when boss suddenly start to move from rest, passengers jerk back. Passengers jerk backward when boss suddenly start to move. Because on a standing boss, passengers are at rest. When suddenly start to move, the passenger's body begins to move, and inertia of rest present in body opposed to come in motion, and passengers are backward. In this way, various other problems related to inertia of rest can be explained, in which it is found that on a resting body inertia of rest present and it opposed to come in motion. Similarly, other type of inertia is inertia of motion. Second type of inertia, inertia of motion. Inertia present in a moving object opposed to come in or come at rest is called inertia of motion. Or also we can define it as an inability to change position of the objects from motion to rest is called inertia of motion. And in inertia of rest also we can define it as a inability to change from rest to motion is called inertia of rest. Here inability to change objects, position of objects from motion to rest is called inertia of motion. Due to inertia of motion, objects are opposed to come at rest. Moving objects opposed to come at rest. As for example, when brake applied on moving bus or suddenly brake applied on moving bus, passengers jerk forward. Other we can write when switch off, fan continue moving for a while. Or also we can write when stop command given. To athletes, it continue running for a while, or suddenly it can't get stopped. Athletes can't stop its body. Why? Because in body, when running, inertia of motion present in body which opposed to directly come at rest. After that, we discuss about moment. When two objects of different mass are moving, on that condition, due to its mass and velocity, another properties get developed which causes it possesses more energy, which is known as water moment, or simply the product of mass and velocity is called moment, or moment can be calculated by m into v. As for example, here it is difficult to catch cricket ball, then same volume of tennis. When you compare that, the volume of tennis ball and cricket ball is same. Let me consider that same. But the mass of cricket ball is more, and it moves by more velocity. And due to that causes, moment present in cricket ball is more than that of tennis ball, and it is difficult to catch or hold cricket ball than that of tennis ball. Due to less mass and less velocity of tennis ball causes, it has less moment and it hurt less. But cricket ball hurt more. Like when we throw a small stone and a large stone. Large stone having more mass and its high speed, high velocity causes more moment get developed in and it hurt more. But less stone having less mass and if its velocity is also less, then it produces less moment. In the next video we discuss about Newton's law of motion, first law, second law and third.